Welcome to HSS Security Solutions, proudly serving Hendersonville, Tennessee. Since 1997, we've been trusted to deliver professional access control systems that help businesses, schools, healthcare facilities, and government organizations manage entry and protect what matters most. Our licensed team provides complete access control solutions, including keypads, card readers, fobs, mobile credentials, and gate entry systems. We handle the full process: design, permitting, professional installation, and ongoing support. Every system we build is scalable and customizable, ensuring you get the right protection whether you manage a small office, a multi-building campus, or an industrial facility. We also integrate access control with fire alarms, cameras, and monitoring for a complete security package. If you're in Hendersonville or Sumner County, call HSS Security Solutions today at 615-444-1400 or visit hssecurity.net. Trusted since 1997 to provide reliable access control systems across Middle Tennessee.